Mary. Mary. Can you see that? Oh yeah, there we go. I love you. I don't really know what this video is for, but I'm listening to Talking Heads, and I've listened to this song about 50,000 times in a row, and this video is for absolutely nothing. But I just felt like making it, because I'm bored. So do you want to listen to me sing? Never mind, this isn't the regular version. This is the live version. Which I haven't been listening to at all today, except for now. Oh, you motherfricker. I gotta listen to this. Yes. I listened to the beginning of this while I was making my video, but whatever. I really don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm going cross-eyed. What up? Here's your ticket, pack your bags. Just kidding. Okay. I love you. And this was like the most pointless 2 minutes of my life, and it'll probably be the most pointless 2 minutes of yours. But, yeah, whatever. And, I don't know. But I'm jealous that you're eating cookies, so I hate you. But I have Dr. Pepper. The end of life. I know you're jealous. Oh, that's my favorite part. You know, the Used redid this song. They're awesome. Yep. You already know that. I forgot what I was gonna sing. Seem to stop my breath, the head on your chest waiting to cave in. You hear my beautiful voice? I don't know what I'm doing. I just feel like making a bunch of random faces and making a video for you. Okay, now this is going to be the most pointless 3 minutes of your life. You are just about to waste 3 minutes of your beautiful, wonderful life full of something. Okay, I think I'm just going to get going because I'm probably just doing nothing. I love you. Oh. Okay. Bye.